In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. First sentence is it is too salty. It is too salty. Second sentence is I am sick of this idler boy. I am sick of this idler boy. Third sentence is must wear a mask. Must wear a mask. Fourth sentence is I am at home for 5 days. I am at home for 5 days. Fifth sentence is I am sitting just for nothing. I am sitting just for nothing.